Hi guys, today's video is all about green coffee beans and its weight loss properties. Well, I have been getting a lot of questions on it and thus thought to make a video on it. So I'll be showing on how to make it, its fast weight loss properties and health benefits. So let's get started. And the first question which most of us have in our mind is, what are green coffee beans? Well, green coffee beans are basically just unroasted coffee beans. Yes, they are just non-roasted coffee beans. The next question is, how does the green coffee beans look like? I got this pack of green coffee beans from Amazon and it's from New Herbs. These are organic coffee beans which are decaffeinated and unroasted Arabica beans. It's a 225-gram pack from Amazon. It's actually 25 grams free with 200 grams pack and is priced at 599 rupees, but you can get it for rupees 239. The link to buy is updated in the description box. The pack mentions that you can lose weight effectively, and there's also a phone number mentioned for any queries if you have. It also states a few of its benefits, side effects and directions to use it. And now I'm going to open the pack. It has a resealable packing to maintain the freshness of beans. This is how the green coffee beans look like. They are in their natural state and thus are light green in color. Well, before buying, I went through a lot of reviews on Amazon and few did mention that the beans they got were not actual green coffee beans and were colored green, so thought of performing a test. For this, I've taken few beans in a cup and now I'm going to soak them in water overnight, and next day I will shoot the results. So the beans have been in the water for 12 hours and this is the result. Yes, the water is slightly green in color, but I think that's because the beans have been infused in the water and they're bound to release the chlorogenic acid, which is light green in color. So the beans are not fake. They're original and in their natural state. Next is how to prepare green coffee beans for weight loss. Well, if you have the beans like I have, then the first step is to grind the beans. For this, I've taken some coffee beans in a grinder. Now, after running the grinder for about 5 minutes, this is the result. I was able to break the beans in small granules and not able to get a fine powder as they are very hard. The pack says to take 10 grams of powdered beans with 150 ml of hot water. I've taken a tablespoon of these beans in a glass and have poured a cup of hot water. By hot water, I mean water at 90 degrees Celsius. In this state, the water is about to boil, but I have not started boiling. Now let it rest for 10 minutes. And in the meanwhile, let me share its benefits, side effects, and how it can help to lose weight. Now let me share a few side effects of green coffee. The one I'm using is decaffeinated, but if you have one with caffeine, then you might face loose motions, sleeplessness, or increase in heartbeat, etc. In that case, consult with your medical practitioner and then continue, or you may switch to a decaffeinated one. Why should we have green coffee? These coffee beans are loaded with antioxidants and chlorogenic acid. They are a strong and effective appetite suppressant and thus help in weight loss. They are also capable of treating type 2 diabetes as they lower down the high levels of sugar in our bloodstream while accelerating weight loss. The antioxidants present in green coffee beans slow down the signs of aging, moisturize our skin, make our hair strong and healthy, and detox our body. Next question is how many times and when to have it. Drink at least 3 cups a day, 30 minutes before each meal if you are on a weight loss journey. Who should avoid this coffee? Well, this coffee is not recommended for children, pregnant and nursing mothers, and people under medication. How does this coffee help in weight loss? Chlorogenic acid is a main active ingredient in green coffee beans which produces the weight loss effect. Well, if you still have doubts on the performance of chlorogenic acid, then let me give an example. I have a video of fat melter drink in my channel in which eggplant slices are infused in water. Brinjal or an eggplant is rich in this acid, and this weight loss drink has worked wonders for people who have consumed it. So do check out my fat melter diet drink. In case if you haven't, I will post a link below. Chlorogenic acid reduces body weight by cutting down fat absorption from our food. Few have managed to lose up to 10 kilos in a month, that too without any diet or exercise. It melts down fat stored in the liver and improves the function of adiponectin, which is a fat-burning hormone. So this acid is a metabolism booster which raises our fat-burning capability and eventually help us shed off excess weight. After 10 minutes, this is how the coffee looks. Strain the contents and now the green coffee is ready to be consumed. You can see the light green color of the coffee due to the high concentration of chlorogenic acid. How does this taste like? Well, as per my experience, it does not taste bitter at all. It is mild and smooth. Do not add any sweeteners like sugar, honey or sugar-free. However, you can always add cinnamon to fasten the weight loss process. Remember, weight loss is all about adopting a healthy lifestyle and sticking to it. Green coffee beans will certainly help you lose weight, but I also recommend you following one of the diet plans and indulging in 15 minutes fast walk for guaranteed results and lose up to 15 kilos in a month. The links to my diet plans are updated in the description box. You can also watch this video in Hindi in my second channel, Wikipedia. Hope I have been able to clear your doubts regarding green coffee beans. Please give it a thumbs up, share this video and subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. And I will see you soon with one more informative video on weight loss. Till then, do remember, go green and get lean. Bye-bye.